As a professional bartender, I'm always looking for ways to create unforgettable experiences for my guests. One way I love to do this is by incorporating craft flair into my bartending routine. Craft flair is an art form that, when executed skillfully, can surprise and entertain your guests while maintaining professionalism and efficiency behind the bar. Here are some tips to surprise and delight your guests with craft flair while maintaining professionalism and efficiency behind the bar. Showmanship and style. Develop your own unique style and showmanship. Smile, make eye contact, and maintain a confident and approachable demeanor. This creates a memorable and entertaining experience for your guests. It's about combining showmanship with exceptional bartending skills. Every spin, toss, and flip is a testament to the craft we love. Visual appeal. Focus on creating visually appealing flair moves that capture the attention of your guests. Experiment with different bottle spins, flips, and tricks that showcase your skill and dexterity. Develop a repertoire of personalized flair moves that reflect your style and personality. Showcasing skillful manipulation of various bar tools adds a dynamic element to your working flair. Interaction and engagement. Use working flair as a tool to interact with your guests and create an engaging experience. Perform moves that catch their attention and ignite curiosity. It's an experience that goes beyond the taste of the cocktail, adding a dash of excitement to your evening. By surprising our guests with craft flair, we elevate their experience and create a memorable spectacle. Remember to always prioritize the quality of your service and the satisfaction of your guests, ensuring that your flair enhances their overall experience rather than detracting from it. Perfect your technique. Before showcasing your working flair, ensure that you have mastered the fundamental bartending techniques. Develop excellent pouring skills, precise measurements, and efficient drink-making abilities. Flair should enhance your existing bartending skills rather than replace them. Dedicate time to practice and perfect your flair techniques in a safe and controlled environment. Choreography and routine. Develop a well-choreographed routine that seamlessly integrates craft flair into your bartending performance. Plan your moves in advance to ensure a cohesive flow and buildup of excitement. That wow factor that keeps them coming back for more and earning generous tips. Safety awareness. Prioritize safety at all times when performing craft flair.